Welcome to Be Healthy Naturally. Today's video reveals a Japanese secret for youthful skin. A simple fresh tomato can help wrinkles disappear, pores shrink, and your skin glow like never before. Say goodbye to expensive creams and treatments that promise the world but deliver little. We unveil a natural remedy that has stood the test of time and is backed by nature itself. You heard that right. A tomato. But what's so special about this humble ingredient? Tomatoes are not just a culinary delight. They are a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can work wonders for your skin. When it comes to fighting the signs of aging, dullness, and uneven skin tone, tomatoes are your secret weapon. In this video, we will share 3 amazing tomato recipes inspired by Japanese beauty secrets that will leave your skin looking brighter, smoother, and more radiant than ever before. Whether you are a fan of DIY skincare or simply looking for a change from harsh chemicals, these recipes are easy to make and use with fresh ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. Get ready to unlock the power of tomatoes and embrace a natural approach to achieving gorgeous, healthy skin. But before we dive into our first recipe, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all our health and wellness content. Now let's get started with our first recipe. A nourishing face mask that will help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, revealing smoother, brighter skin. Start by washing and pureeing a fresh tomato in a bowl. This helps to release its natural juices and break down the cells. Next, strain the puree through a clean piece of gauze or cheesecloth to remove any seeds or pulp, leaving you with just the pure tomato juice. Now add 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal, 1 egg yolk, and 1 teaspoon of honey to the juice. Mix well to ensure all the ingredients are combined. The oatmeal acts as a gentle exfoliant, revealing brighter skin underneath. The egg yolk provides additional moisture and nutrients, while the honey adds extra hydration. Apply this luxurious mask to your face, neck, décolletage, and even hands. Leave it on for 25 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. During this time, the antioxidants in the tomato will work to neutralize free radicals, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your skin gently with a clean towel. Follow this treatment once or twice a week for best results. Our next recipe is an anti-aging cream that will leave your skin moisturized, firm, and rejuvenated. In a bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of tomato juice with 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. The aloe vera hydrates and soothes the skin, while the tomato juice provides a potent dose of antioxidants. Add 1 teaspoon of grape seed oil, known for its anti-aging properties, and a few drops each of jojoba and vitamin E oil to nourish and protect the skin. If desired, you can also add 3 to 4 drops of lavender essential oil for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. Apply this nourishing cream to your face and neck morning and evening to help improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. This cream can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. And for our third recipe, we have a simple yet effective trick to tighten your skin using ice cubes. In a small bowl, combine 60 milliliters of tomato juice with 100 milliliters of rose water. Pour the mixture into an ice cube tray and freeze until solid. Once frozen, take the ice cubes out of the tray and store them in a resealable bag or container in the freezer. Each evening, Massage your face and neck with an ice cube for a refreshing and invigorating experience. The cold temperature will help to tighten your pores and improve circulation, while the tomato and rose water provide additional antioxidant and hydrating benefits. Tomatoes are a powerful natural remedy for various skin concerns such as acne, enlarged pores, and premature aging. They contain lycopene, a carotenoid that gives tomatoes their red color and is a potent antioxidant that helps fight free radicals and protect against sun damage. In addition to reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, tomatoes are also effective in treating acne due to their astringent properties. They help tighten the skin and control oiliness, which can contribute to clogged pores and breakouts. Furthermore, tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production and can help improve skin elasticity and firmness. For best results, it's important to use fresh, ripe tomatoes and apply them topically to the skin or consume them orally. To incorporate these remedies into your routine, you can start by applying the Anti-Wrinkle Face Mask once or twice a week. Follow up with the anti-aging cream morning and evening, and finish with the skin-tightening ice cubes in the evening. Consistency is key, so it's important to repeat these treatments regularly to see optimal results over time. If you enjoyed these natural beauty recipes and found them helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, so please share your feedback and any questions you may have. Stay healthy, radiant and confident, and embrace the natural beauty that starts from within. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and updates. Your support matters. You can also appreciate our work by clicking the join or thanks button below with a small token of support. Remember, your health is in your hands. Small changes can lead to significant improvements. Take care of your body, nurture it with love, and allow it to heal naturally. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult your doctor or a qualified health professional before trying any remedies or lifestyle changes discussed in this video. Your health and safety are our priority.